Erupting volcano. Every eruption brings change. So does our life. Sometimes we need to release the pressure to grow stronger. From the ashes left behind, new life will grow. Remember, from every difficulty, there is always an opportunity to rise again. Like magma that seeks its way up, never stop fighting to achieve your dreams. Your strength is within you. When the pressure of life becomes too great, remember that an eruption is not the end, but the beginning of something new. Every volcano has its story. So do we. Every challenge we face shapes our life's journey. A tremendous power is often hidden within us. Unleash that potential and see how great you can be. Don't be afraid to face change. Like a volcano erupting that creates fertile soil, every change can bring new blessings. Like a blazing cloud spreading, let your spirit touch others. Your strength can inspire many souls. Every eruption produces new strength. Don't be afraid to let go of what binds you, so you can grow. A volcanic eruption reminds us that sometimes we need to face a storm to find the true strength within. Life may feel like a sudden eruption, but remember, there is always beauty that is born after it. Don't let fear stop you. Like magma that continues to move, keep fighting despite the obstacles. Every change brings new potential. Like fertile soil after an eruption, you too can grow positive things from difficult experiences. Every eruption is a reminder that we have the power to rise, even from the most difficult. Like a mountain that challenges the sky, never hesitate to reach for high ideals. Success awaits at the top. In life, we may have to face emotional eruptions, but remember, from every sadness, greater happiness can be born. When everything feels heavy and uncertain, remember that even the strongest mountains can erupt, but still stand strong afterward. Be like a volcano, strong, courageous, and ready to let go of anything that hinders your growth. The difficult moments in our lives are like eruptions. They can be destructive, but they also open the way for new and better things. We all have the potential to explode into something extraordinary. Don't be afraid to show who you really are.